I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious nacho cheese sauce. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a roux, cooking for 1 minute. Slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of whole milk, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Once your bechamel is smooth and thick, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is crucial for preventing a grainy texture. Gradually add 2 cups of freshly shredded cheddar cheese, or a blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack. Stir continuously with a whisk or spatula until all the cheese has completely melted and is fully incorporated into the sauce. The sauce should be creamy and uniform. To elevate your nacho cheese sauce, consider adding some extra flavors. A tablespoon of pickled jalapeno juice can provide a wonderful tang and subtle heat. For an even richer, smoother sauce, whisk in 2 ounces of cream cheese until fully melted. If you enjoy more spice, a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce will add a pleasant warmth without overpowering the cheese flavor. Your homemade nacho cheese sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over your favorite tortilla chips, or use it as a dip for pretzels and vegetables. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stove top or in the microwave, adding a splash of milk if needed to restore consistency. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.